Hi, in this video, I will show you how to cancel CapCut Pro on PC. So in order to cancel CapCut Pro on your PC, what you can do is you can head over first to the actual browser. So here we have our CapCut Pro. You can just go to CapCut.com and you should be able to see this. Now in here, you can click on your profile icon. After that, you can see in here the subscription page. You can click on that and you should be able to see in here if you're actually subscribed. So if you're subscribed in here, you can just see a cancel button in place of this purchase button. So as of right now, I'm not yet subscribed because I've already canceled it. But in here, once you have actually done that, you should be able to see in here a cancel button that you can use in order to cancel your CapCut Pro. However, do take note that when you purchase the actual plan earlier, you're actually agreeing to the CapCut's terms of service. So you should be able to already pay and you may not get a refund, but you can still cancel the plan anytime and you can use it on the duration of the plan that you have availed. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.